Hello, I'm so excited to see you on A1 English. If you are new here, consider subscribing to join our community of English speakers and learners to expand your vocabulary and speaking skills. Welcome to the vocabulary building lesson. Activities in this lesson are designed to help you say and repeat pronunciations many times. This helps you in vocabulary retention. Let's begin. This is the third letter of the English alphabet. It is pronounced C. C. The letter C can be written in two different ways. The big C. It is usually written at the beginning of a sentence or a proper noun, and a small c. The letter C is a consonant letter. It is sound k, k, k. Here are some examples of words for the letter C. Now, look, listen, and repeat at home. Candy, candy. Crown, crown. Coat, coat. Carrot, carrot, carrot. Candle, candle. Corn, corn. Cow, cow. Cap, cap. In this lesson, we will focus on 4 target words for the letter C. Here they are. Look, listen, and repeat at home. Cat, cat. Cat. Car, car. Car. Cake, cake. Cake. Cup, cup. Cup. Let's review our vocabulary through a game. In this game, I will do the action and you call out the word. Here we go. Good. In this next activity, I will show you a picture and you do the action for me. Here we go. In this activity, I will show you a half of a picture and you call out the picture. Are you ready? What half is it? It's cake. It's cake. And what's the action for cake? What half is it? It's car. What's the action for car? What half is it? It's cup. What half is it? It's cat. Let's see how well you have learned the vocabularies. Great job. Now, you have done well. Thank you very much for learning with A1 English. We enjoy learning with you too. Don't forget to hit the subscription button, leave us your comment and your like. See you in the next video.